And today I will show you how to do a double wall carved pieces. The next step will be the spout. It's not a big teapot, so we just need a little short spout. I do the same thing off the hump. Throw off the hump. Just all I need, just a little bit of clay, and then make sure it's center, not moving, and go straight down, and then bring this up. And if the spout is not even, we'll cut off the top. Make sure you have a round off. That's it. And I'm cutting it off right now, next step, because this won't have a bottom. And this is the spout.